Alright, this is going to be a short video for Pentatonic Riffs Volume 2. This is the second song. So the first song was the Led Zeppelin song Heartbreaker. We're going to do another fun one. This is a Beatles song, Day Tripper, okay? And just one thing before we start. The zeros in parentheses on your sheet, it just means to ring the note out. So if it's confusing, you can just kind of ignore those. Tap can not always be perfect in the way you write things, which we talked a little bit about before. But essentially the zero just means ring it out if it's in parentheses. So if it's easier, just ignore the zeros in parentheses, okay? This song, we can play the whole thing in second position, meaning if I put my first finger on the second fret, now I just have to use my first, second, and third finger. Now remember with scales, I recommend that you start using your pinky to get it strong, but if there's a song where you don't have to use your pinky logically, then, you know, it still makes sense to avoid it if you can, okay? So we'll work on getting that pinky stronger, but for this one, we don't need it, so we might as well not use it. Remember, too, when you have frets on the same string, same fret, different strings, consecutive strings, most of the time you use the same finger and just kind of go over. You can use two different ones, but in this case, it's going to be much easier to use your first finger and then use your first finger again when you do the... Let me zoom in a little bit more there. Hopefully you can see my hand. I play my first finger, and then I play my first finger again, okay? I'm just going to hop over strings. So what we'll do, let me look at the tempo real quickly. So it's around 140. I'll do it about half speed, and then a little bit faster. So I'll start the first time around 70. I'm just going to do the first two lines. The second two lines are bar chords, which if you know how to do, you're more than welcome to. But you don't have to because we haven't covered that yet. That's kind of the next assignment we'll do, okay? So I'm just going to do the first two lines. This is at 70. So here we go. It should sound like this. 3, 4. Notice it's the same thing. It does a pattern starting on the E string, and then does the same exact pattern starting on your next string, which is the A, which is a pretty common thing to do. So here I'm going to do it a little bit faster. This will be at 120, so you can hear it closer to tempo. So here's 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there it is. There's Day Tripper again. Start really slow. We'll try and get it close to 120. Usually if you can get around 90 or 100, I'll give it to you again. Your technique and your timing is more important. So make sure you listen to the video some. You can listen to the song too, but you know, it's a little bit faster. So good luck, and I'll see you on the next one.